Alright. There you can see how heavy it's raining. Now, look at all my lights in my front yard. You can see the clouds. Oh, here we go. Oh, you look at that. There's my curve. Whoa. This is Alabama weather, baby. No, wow. You count from the time you see the lightning till you hear the thunder, like 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and however many you count, that's how many miles it is away from you. You can see the lightning way before you can hear the thunder, as you can see in the video. We'll see if it'll go again. Oh, that scared me. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 4 miles. Yeah, it's definitely getting closer. I keep thinking this is the it's my thing. It's my awning. So yeah, fun times. I love storms. Oh, and they're cleaning my pillows. All right, I'm gonna go in before I get hit by lightning.